Everybody knows that nothing stops teaching with robots faster than a dead battery, which is why it's important to charge your entire fleet of robots. Before we plug in any of our robots to charge, make sure you remove the plastic sleeve that protects the battery, and apply a QR code sticker to the top of the robot and a matching number on the back. You can plug your USB cables into a power source and then connect up all your robots at once. You want to let them charge for at least 2 full hours. These 2 hours of charging will give you up to 4 hours of continuous classroom use, which is plenty for a full workshop or a full class period. You're also able to charge the robots with any micro USB cable you have. Just try not to charge the robots through a computer. A wall outlet is more preferable. We recommend setting up a dedicated charging station near your activity area. While those guys are fueling up, we can use this time to set up our activity area. KaiLab robots love to move, so we'll need quite a bit of space. Remember, this setup is best done before you start teaching with your students. Once you've set up all the robots, you can just switch them on and you'll be ready to teach. To use the activity mat, you'll need to clear an area of at least 9 by 9 feet. Make sure to keep one side of the mat free for the tripod. Your students can use the other sides. This allows students to walk freely around the mat without tripping over any robots or each other. Choose your adventure mat. We recommend starting with the Mars Discovery, and lay it out in the middle of your space. You want to smooth it out so it's perfectly flat. If it's got wrinkles or creases, leave it in the sun for a bit or put it in the tumble dryer on cool. Wrinkles can confuse the robot's tracking, so make sure that it's nice and flush with the floor. Now, let's set up the tripod. Unscrew the bottom screw and extend the legs out before tightening the screw again. Pull the feet from the tripod so it's extended to its full length and twist it to lock and unlock in place. Once the mat and tripod are set up, we can start pairing our robots with the app. In the next video, we'll be going over how to pair your KaiLab robots, as well as how to set up your classroom on the digital KaiLab platform.